Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, it is important to know that I'm here to help you prepare for your IELTS speaking exam with tips, strategies, and sample answers. In today's video, we're going to dive into an important cue card topic that many of you might get in the exam. I'll be sharing a well-structured response that you can use as a guide to prepare your own answer. So, if you're aiming to score high in the speaking section, make sure to watch till the end and don't forget to take notes. Please subscribe our channel for latest cue cards.
Describe a difficult decision that you made and had a good result. You should say what the decision was when you made that decision, why it was difficult to make, and explain how you felt about the good result. Leaving my hometown to pursue my studies overseas was one of the hardest decisions I have ever had to make. This choice required me to leave my comfort zone and face a whole new environment, which was both thrilling and nerve-wracking. About 2 years ago, when I had the chance to attend a reputable university abroad to further my studies, I took this decision. Although the promise of international recognition and improved professional prospects was alluring, it was very challenging to leave behind my friends, family, and comfortable surroundings. The financial and emotional components were the biggest obstacle. My family and I were quite close, so the idea of spending a lot of time apart was difficult. Studying overseas also entailed a large financial commitment, and I wasn't sure I could take the stress of budgeting while learning in a totally foreign culture. I spent weeks weighing the benefits and drawbacks, talking to my parents, and consulting with previous international students for guidance. I ultimately plucked up the confidence to do it in spite of my doubts and anxieties because I thought it would be a life-altering experience. In retrospect, I can state with confidence that this choice had incredible outcomes. I had the opportunity to gain knowledge from seasoned instructors, develop a solid professional network, and get a first-hand look at a different culture. It not only improved my academic understanding but also assisted me in gaining critical life qualities like self-reliance, flexibility, and fortitude. Furthermore, my choice paid off when I was able to find a lucrative position after graduation, which pleased my family and me. When I witnessed the benefits of my choice, I felt a great sense of relaxation and achievement. It reaffirmed the notion that success and personal development can result from accepting difficulties and taking chances. I now feel more comfortable making tough decisions since I realized that occasionally venturing outside of our comfort zone might lead to better chances.
For watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and resources on mastering English. Leave a comment below with any questions or topics you'd like me to cover next. Good luck with your IELTS preparation, and see you in the next video.